Hello there, ladies and gentlemen. Today I'm going to be speedrunning the installation of Pterodactyl because I thought of this about, well, 15 minutes ago and it's stuck in my head now, so I have to do it. Anyway, here we have the dedicated 4 gigabyte Linode thingy, right? We're gonna go ahead and click create Linode because obviously, oh shit. Okay, we're gonna do Atlanta because that's the first one in the list. I must provide a root password. Okay, hopefully it's not visible. No, we have to have a standardized root password because time to type the password. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, here is the root password. 753. That's right. That's right. That is our root. That is our root password. This is the standard dealio here. Okay. Right. That's all, maybe. Come on. Come on. You can do it. No! Okay, it's not 753. What about 753, 753, 753? Fuck. Okay. I have a better idea. Subscribe to synthetic everything. Yes. No, I don't want to save it. Okay, we're provisioning. We are being provisioned. Alrighty. Alrighty, what are we doing? What are we doing? We need to go to pterodactyl.io. I don't is it fair to pull this up beforehand? I think so. I think that's more than fair. Okay, so we want to go SSH root at 139.177.201.45. Don't worry, ladies and gentlemen, the IP that came up as suggested is an old Linode from an old tutorial. Don't worry. I didn't just like leak something private. Shit, okay, it's still booting. There we go. Oh shit. Subscribe to synthetic. Yes! Okay, okay. Here we go. Here we go. Okay, we've clicked get started. Wait. Oh shit, we need like a timer. Hold on. Speedrun timer. Linux. Timer for Linux. Here we go. Okay, we're gonna. Oops. Oh, that worked out for me. Here we go. This is not very updated. It's the only one on here. Is it? Oh. Well, it's archived anyway. Well, hopefully it still works, ladies and gentlemen. Uh, so stupid. Okay. This is definitely professional. Do I have noise canceling set up? Yes. Good. Oh shit. Right. Please. Okay. uh Settings. You know what? Okay, fuck you guys. But then I have to add it in post. Hotkeys. Start. Numpad 1. Sure. Stop. Numpad 2. Accept. Fuck. New. What? Edit? Pterodactyl easy. Sub no. We'll give it a, I assume this is seconds. Shit. 2 second head start. Okay. Segmented. We could do segments, but I don't give a shit. Easy. Okay. Okay, are you guys ready? Oh wait, should I save it? Should I? That seems like a good idea. Save. Tarot. Pterodactyl easy. Okay, here we go. Here we go. You ready? Ladies and gentlemen. Oh shit. Okay, okay, okay. Oh shit, dick. Okay, we're on Ubuntu. Dependencies. Oh my god. This is intense. Oh shit, what have I done? I don't even know what it's asking, what it's saying. I'm not reading. That would make sense. No. Come on. Come on, go faster, god damn it. Okay, yes. Yes. Fuck you, apt. Yes. No. Come on. Come on. Oh yeah. Here we go. Please. Do I put this in the pterodactyl playlist? I think that would be funny. Like, let's be real here. That'd be great. People just be watching that, going through it, and they just see 80% glitchless speedrun world record. Oh, that'd be great. I'm doing it. Fuck you guys if you have a problem with it. Did I copy this? This is easy. I feel like maybe you should have to sign in like right when that starts. I think that's maybe, I don't know. We'll use my shit ass rules. Oh shit, shit, shit. Yes, this is too easy. Please. That is my cat. Hello, cat. Okay, we can do this before we set up the database. Everything at syntheticmedia.com. We want http colon slash slash. What the hell is there? The cat did just push the door open. Okay. That was a solid couple seconds. I've been sabotaged by my cat. No. Chicago. Chicago. Oh shit. Oh my god, I'm gonna fail. Read this. Read this. Read this. Sure. Read his password. Wait, no. We don't need to read his password. Because it's running locally. Okay, now we need to go set up a database. Setting up MySQL. I haven't even practiced this. We're gonna use some password because I think it's funny. Don't do that in actual production anything. That would be stupid. Exit. There. This is secure, I promise. Okay, back to this. Fuck. Okay, come on. Oh shit. What was the password they used? Is it some password? Yes. Easy. Wait, no, we've already done this. Shit. Mail. Because no reply at Obama.com. Pterodactyl panel, sure. Yes, we're gonna win. Yes. Subscribe to. I probably didn't type that right. That would be very problematic. Actually, very. Uh, did that save? I have no idea. No. There. Okay. Mm-hmm. Sudo nano. No, not systat. No. I'm gonna fail and I'm gonna get owned by anyone who attempts to beat me. It really is not a hard thing to do. Because I am a dumbass. Without SSL. Sudo nano slash etsy slash nginx slash sites. Shit. What is it? Pterodactyl.conf. Domain will pop open here. Oop. And what was our IP? I don't want to click up there because I don't know what's up there. Or what else is in there. Oh, where's the other? I think there's another one. No, okay. Then that was very much a waste of time to do. Good. Enter. Symlink. Yes. Okay, okay. Nope, nope. Smooth. This. Come on. Yes. Okay. What was it? Was it Sin? Subscribe to synthetic everything. Crosswalks. Oh my god, there's a CAPTCHA element here. You can't do this if you're a robot. I don't think that was a crosswalk. Please. I did it! Okay. Okay, we got that going. We got that going. Settings. Locations. We'll call this... Oh shit, I can't see. Local. Sure. Create. Yes. Nodes. Create. Local 2. Easy. Public. No. We do not want to be secure. Effectively is what I'm going for here. I'm going for speed, not security. 2048 0 8192 0. Those are all fine. Create node. Configuration. Whoop. Okay. Then we need to go to installing wings. Which is here. Ooh, bloody hell, what have I done? We don't need to do any of that because I don't give a shit. Then we need to do this. Please go faster. Please. No! Wait. How? Hello? Oh. Okay, this is fine. This is fine. This is a small setback. I don't need you anymore. You're garbage. Okay. Then we don't need to do that. Okay. Come on. Bloody hell. Then we need to. Oh, bloody hell. So let's see. Okay. Easy. Okay, please be working. Is it working? Okay, okay. Now we just have to create the wings service. Sudo nano slash slash system dsys. Come on. Come on. Have I done it? Fuck yes! Okay, time. Time. Someone give me my time. I don't even know what the time was. We're gonna have to check in post because I fucked it up and somehow stopped the timer. Because I'm a genius. There you go, ladies and gentlemen. I challenge you to beat my time. It's not gonna be hard given the cat debuff and also stupidity. Um, as you saw, the password is subscribe to synthetic everything. So I think that's a fair standard rule. Um, so yeah. Anyway, subscribe to me and don't forget to like that video and leave that comment